just got, well, no, we just got to Rome. No, we got to Rome a while ago. But we're waiting for our flight to Brindisi so we can go to Puglia, which is where we're going to start our trip. We're going to be in Puglia for a couple of days with Uncle Jimmy. And then we're going to start our road trip heading up the western coast of Italy all the way to Cinque Terre. So the plan is to go to Naples, go to the Amalfi Coast, then head to Tuscany, Florence, and then go to La Spezia and visit Cinque Terre, and then drive back to Florence. We're gonna take the train and we're gonna go to Rome and spend the last couple of days in Rome before heading back to Miami. So here we are, looking like cheap because we flew overnight and the jet lag is kicking in. Definitely, yeah. I think we're gonna get some espressos in a minute to try to revive ourselves, so we can be people when we get to Brindisi tonight. So we'll be showing you guys more as we go along the trip.
Chacho, ¿vas a invitar a otra? Sí, sí, sí. ¿Atrás o adelante? ¿Adelante o atrás?
So we're going with Jimmy. Where are we going, Jimmy?
Bello.
Bello. Estamos en Arbelo. Main Street en Arbelo. Hello.
Estamos turismeando.
Está turismeando. Eso es lo que más le gusta a la familia Peláez. El turismeo.
A la iglesia por dentro. Bonito.
Questo caffè si beve, c'è un rito,
Ok.
e si beve in una certa maniera. Non si mette lo zucchero,
No se mete azúcar,
non si gira,
no se revuelve.
si
no
beve
sugar,
piano
no
piano.
Despacito, despacito, piano piano.
Specialmente la mia specialità, il peperoncino, la panna si succhia alla fine che ti pulisce le papille gustative.
Como bebes un poquito a la vez, no coges sino que sigue bebiendo un poquito poco. Al fin la crema baja, y es la que te...
Mi è più difficile spiegarlo che berlo.
Sì.
Adesso, visto che non è il solito caffè, siete, anche questo è un trullo originale.
Este original también.
Prendete la tazza e andatevela a bere. 2 minuti sul mio numero.
road trip begins right now. Just left Jimmy, so our trip here in Puglia ends today, and we're gonna head to Matera right now. So that's the first stop on the road trip, so let the fun begin. Road tripping Italy. Here we go. We just got to Matera. Matera's on the other side of the canyon right now. I mean, what a beautiful picturesque town. So we're gonna take a couple pictures from this side, and then we're gonna head to Matera and spend the night over there. Finished doing some shots and doing some sightseeing, walking down the streets from the Airbnb, which the Airbnb is really nice. The location is right with a great view. Now we're walking up the stairs and we're going to try to find somewhere to go eat. Hopefully not everything is with a reservation, because then we would not be in a good shape. This place is full of cathedrals and churches, and it's beautiful. Pass by Castelmezzano. We just made it to Castelmezzano, and it was an odyssey getting the parking. But wow, this place is beautiful. Look at that! Look at the rocks. I mean, this little town is nestled in like the top of a mountain, and it's got beautiful cliffs, which are very iconic of this region. It's not easy to find what I'm looking for in the end. Just wanna know what I'm about. We're all looking for the moment when getting to knowing when all the pieces fall in line. Keep searching for signs in my dreams back then, and I don't know how to stop, 'cause it brings back the feeling that I can't reach the top now. Amazing views up here in the cliffs of Castelmezzano. The wind is howling. This is like a trail to go to Via Ferrata. The cables were back there, so I bet there's a lot of climbing and hiking around here. But yeah, this is beautiful. This location is amazing. All right, back to Juli, because she stayed back there because there's a lot of stairs to come up here. So heading back. This violet sky, I've seen it before. It turns truth into light.